In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Ethereum with PayPal on eToro. To get started, log into your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you're fully signed in before moving on, since all of the next steps happen inside the platform dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and click Deposit Funds. This is where you add money to your eToro balance before placing any crypto trade. If you haven't deposited before, just take a moment to read the payment options carefully so you choose the right one for your needs. From the available payment methods, select PayPal. This is a convenient option for many users because it can be fast and familiar. After selecting PayPal, enter the amount you want to deposit. Choose an amount that matches your budget and your investing plan. When you're ready, complete the PayPal payment and wait for the funds to appear in your available balance. In many cases, this happens quickly, but it's always a good idea to confirm that the money is fully available before trying to place a trade. After the deposit is completed, use the search bar at the top of the platform to find Ethereum, which is usually listed as ETH. Click on the Ethereum result to open its asset page. This page gives you a closer look at the market, including the current price and general asset information. On the Ethereum page, click Trade. A trade window will open, and this is where you decide how much you want to invest. Enter the amount you want to put into Ethereum. Be sure to double-check the figure so it matches your intended purchase size. If you want, you can also set your stop loss and take profit levels. These are optional tools that can help you manage risk and plan exits in advance. A stop loss can help limit potential downside, while a take profit can automatically close the position once your target is reached. Before you finalize anything, review the order details carefully. Pay special attention to the estimated opening costs and the total amount of your trade. This quick review helps you avoid mistakes and gives you a clear picture of what you're about to buy. If everything looks correct, click Buy to complete your Ethereum purchase. Once your order has gone through, you can monitor your Ethereum investment from your portfolio. This is where you'll be able to track performance, review your position, and make future adjustments if needed. Thanks for watching.